Doing crazy things with the microwave, take 2. So Nikki had this great idea. Here's Nikki. To put a bar of soap in the microwave. It has to be Ivory. So we decided we saw it on YouTube and we're going to try it. So we're going to put it on 2 minutes. Oh, I don't even have to do that.
Just 2, right?
Yeah, just 2.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's because yeah.
Press time. Oh. No.
Yeah, we're really good.
There we go.
We're pros.
So to watch how to use the microwave.
We didn't watch that video, did we?
Now we wait.
Oh, whoa, there it goes. Oh my goodness.
Cool. Smells good.
Smells like Ivory soap. Wonder how big it's gonna get, really.
I know.
That is wild.
Holy cow. Still has
It's still
over
getting
a
bigger.
minute left.
Is it done? Looks like it's not getting any bigger.
Should we stop it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh,
It's
nope,
getting
there
bigger.
it goes. Oh my goodness.
I think it's to the top.
Whew. That is a strong smell. Is it still growing? It is. Oh my gosh.
It's flowing over the plate.
My kitchen's gonna smell like Ivory soap for weeks. Oh.
Even that's growing. It's almost done.
I hope so, because we're gonna make a big mess in the microwave. It's done.
Whoa.
There you have it. Ivory soap in the microwave.
It works.